Here are 3 things you need to do to sell your home. First is get an accurate market analysis. An understanding of the local market is crucial to proper pricing. Improper pricing of your home can make it challenging to sell even in a seller's market. The next thing you want to do is make minor repairs. These are things like leaky faucets, peeling paint, doors that don't open easily, and just overall general cleaning of the house. This signals to buyers that the home is well maintained and alleviates concerns about hidden problems. And the third thing is you want an effective online marketing strategy. In the digital age, a robust online presence with high quality photos, video, and 3D walkthrough tours boosts your home's visibility online and broadens its appeal. If you're looking to sell in the next 6 months, comment "sell" below and I'll send you a free copy of my seller's guide.